1 in 3 Canadians live with diabetes or prediabetes, but many of them may not even know it. Detecting the disease early with the right testing is important because the progression from prediabetes to type 2 diabetes can be prevented, and in some cases, type 2 diabetes can be reversed. The first step to understanding your risk level and optimizing your health is by checking your HbA1c levels, which is an important indicator of diabetes risk that circulates in your blood. LifeLabs is here to help with our new Diabetes Health HbA1c kit. A quick, easy way to measure your HbA1c levels from the comfort of your home. This convenient kit includes free shipping and access to online results, and a personalized virtual follow-up if your results are elevated. You may also qualify to access a 12-week provincially covered lifestyle improvement program. Count on LifeLabs for comprehensive support, from medications to lifestyle advice, no matter the outcome. Order your kit today and manage your health with confidence.